Welcome to Jumpstart, the one-page strategy online course. Jumpstart stands for just using my progressive strategy to achieve real traction. I thought that was pretty clever. But it's not just another catchy acronym or a generic framework for your business. In this short course, I will give you a step-by-step guide to create a sustainable, purpose-driven, growth-focused 12-month strategy that will keep you laser-focused on an ever-evolving and competitive marketplace. So, why Jumpstart? Well, we understand that success in business isn't about overcomplicating your plans with endless pages of a strategy document. It's about clarity. It's about focus. It's about identifying your purpose, defining your ambitious yet achievable dream. It's about aligning things together, your core values, your business alignment, so that your business is set apart from the competition. So in this short but very powerful course, you will learn how to clarify your purpose. You'll find that it's the foundation of everything you do. We ask the competition question, why does my business exist? We set a bold ambition, a vision that inspires and propels you and anyone else that works with you forward. We will target the right audience. It's that audience that really do want what you have to offer. It fits them. It fits their needs. It fits their wants. We will craft a succinct, powerful value proposition that communicates why that target market should and will choose you. We will establish a dominant goal, which we structure into two parts. Part one is financial, part two is non-financial. These are 12-month goals, and we will help you identify or clarify your values. In the last module, in this online course, I will show you a completed Jumpstart one-page strategy for our example business that we use in this program. At the heart of Jumpstart, the one-page strategy, lies simplicity and focus. It has to be easy to do. It has to be easy to keep. It has to be easy to use. This isn't just about creating a strategy, because anyone can create a strategy. No, this is about executing a strategy that is growth-minded and helps you build your business and achieve your dreams for your business. So, are you ready to jumpstart? Are you ready to jumpstart your business? Gain some traction? Get going for the next 12 months? Great. Then let's get started.